My hope is that there are some other big states that get good. Maybe New York gets good, good legislation, and we'll see. And then kind of getting back to one of your original comments, and I've said this before in lots of venues, I don't see that because states have different legislation, it's this fatal, end of the republic kind of situation. I can point to tons of different industries where, whether it's, liquor licensing, or whether it's, hospital regulations, there's lots of areas of our economy, employment law, where the states remain supreme. And so I think in general, this will be different flavors, but in my ideal world, what people want is not so different, whether it's in Europe or here or Japan. They want to know what information has been collected about them. They want to be able to stop it going where they don't want it to go. They want to be able to delete it. They want to have control, and they don't want to be the product. And so I think that